Welcome to the brand new 2022 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4X. The AT4X is powered by a 6.2 liter V8 engine and made it up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior of the vehicle, power windows, locks and mirrors, AT4X badging. We have your memory seating and power locks on the door, your four-wheel drive system, automatic headlights, your fog light button, driving modes, trailer mode, heads-up display controls. We have a leather-wrapped heated steering wheel with cruise control and audio controls with paddle shifters on the reverse side. A full digitalized, customizable gauge cluster as well. We have push-button ignition, a nice large 13.4-inch touchscreen using the Google operating system, Google Maps as well. The vehicle does have heated and ventilated seating, dual zone climate, parking sensors, auto stop start feature. The AT4X does have the locking differentials electronically front and rear. Your automatic shifter knob, trailer braking adjustments. You do have wireless charging pocket, multiple cup holders. We have the dual glove boxes as well, and the Bose audio. AT4X interior only with our leather heated and ventilated seating up front. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the GMC Sierra, we do have the 18-inch wheel and tire package with the Goodyear Wrangler Duratrac all-terrain tires. We do have the Multimatic DSSV GM Performance suspension all around on the Sierra AT4X. Color match door handles with keyless entry up front, AT4X badging. We do have LEDs on our mirror caps as well as the camera system, 6.2 liter plaque. Up front we do have the factory lift kit with the DSSV Multimatic suspension system, making room for the big wheel and tire packages. Coming up front, we do have LED daytime running lamps, turn signals, and fog lights. The AT4X branded grille with the camera system, parking sensors, and the signature red tow hooks. Making our way to the back here, crew cab, rear tinted privacy windows, and blacked out window trim. This is the regular box. You do have LED brake lights, color matched rear bumper, trailer tow package, GM MultiPro tailgate as well, AT4X badging. Looking in the box, we do have LED lights, multiple tie-down straps, and of course your AT4X bed liner. Taking a quick look at the interior of the vehicle, we do have the leather 60/40 split. Both end seats are car seat ready and heated. In-seat storage feature, a sliding rear window with defrost. We have a suede wrapped headliner with extra headroom, LED lighting, and a single pane sunroof. We do have your heated seat controls in the back of the center console with USB ports, rubberized floor liners, and carpeted inserts installed. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the brand new 2022 GMC Sierra AT4X. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.